All right. So I've got to take this rod, put it through here at the bottom. It's like 6 inches, oh geez, what was it? Six and 3/4 all the way through. Then I got to build a base out of spare metal laying around, or scrap metal, which is going to be some angle iron and some galvanized square tubing, I think. But she is dirty. Look at that. Ew. It was so dirty, actually, and misused, that I had to clean that handle off because it was frozen, as in stuck. But this will be my next project as I go on throughout the year. Do this to make a few things, but she's gonna take a lot of work. Maybe it's a he. I don't know. I haven't asked it. All right. So let's look at the drawing, or let's go to the drawing board and try and figure out this base issue.